Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So in yesterday or in previous session, what you have learned? You have learned about food spoilage. Yes? So today before starting the session, I am going to tell you one short story of BG. Okay? One day what happened? वो एक दिन शॉप पे जाती है एंड शी वांट टू परचेज अ ब्रेड. ओके, यू लव ना ब्रेड हम लोग खाते हैं जैम के साथ एट योर होम. यस. सो सडनली शी रिटर्न इनटू द शॉपकीपर. सो हैव यू नोटिस व्हाई शी रिटर्न इनटू द शॉपकीपर? I am just taking the example of this. Nowadays you are using this sanitizer. Yes. If I went to a shop, मैं अगर शॉप पे गई हूँ, मुझे सैनिटाइजर खरीदना है, तो यू विल सी कि बहुत से लोग नोटिस करते हैं समथिंग. What thing they notice? Have you ever thought? So, first thing you have to notice about manufacturing date. Okay? कि किस दिन ये बना था. Okay? It is mentioned in your items, food in items, any item, food items or a grocery item, any item. Okay? It is mentioned. So this is its manufacturing date is 19/5/20. Okay? And second thing you have to observe expiry date. कि how many time period you have to use this sanitizer. Okay, so time कितने time period तक ये सामान हम use कर सकते हैं. Okay, second is expiry date and third is MRP, what is the price, and one more thing net weight कि कितने ग्राम का है, कितना weight है इसका. Yes, and you can also see the composition. Everything is mentioned in any item. Okay, so whenever you are going to purchase anything, always remember these things. First is manufacturing date, expiry date, most important expiry date, MRP. Okay, so you already know. Now today one activity कि you have to today आपको अपने घर पे नोटिस करना है दो तीन चीजों की कि MRP क्या है, एक्सपायरी डेट क्या है. ओके, कोई भी आइटम की, फूड आइटम्स, वेदर, या फिर आप सैनिटाइजर की भी कर सकते हो. ऑलराइट, सो टुडे यू हैव टू नोटिस दीज थिंग्स. ओके, फर्स्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, एक्सपायरी एंड MRP. ऑलराइट, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक नेट वेट. ओके,
फूड प्रिजर्वेशन इज एक्चुअली प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ फूड टू प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम स्पॉइलेज, यानी कि फूड को स्पॉइल होने से हम बचाते हैं. एंड मेकिंग इट पॉसिबल टू स्टोर इट इन अ फिट कंडीशन फॉर फ्यूचर यूज, ताकि वो हम इसे बाद में भी यूज़ करें. ओके, सो क्या क्या प्रोसेस होता है? रेफ्रिजरेशन, ड्राइंग और डिहाइड्रेशन. रेफ्रिजरेशन को फ्रीजिंग भी बोलते हैं. एडिंग शुगर, हाँ, हम जैम वगैरह, जेली लाइक जो भी होते हैं उसको हम शुगर ऐड करके भी प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं. वैक्यूम पैकिंग एंड पास्चराइजेशन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स. ओके, सो कौन कौन से मैथड्स को इन डिटेल. ऑल राइट, एंड देन लास्ट वी विल ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन. फर्स्ट इज फ्रीजिंग. व्हाट वी डू इन फ्रीजिंग? We will keep the food items in refrigerator. Okay, temperature is low, so bacteria does not allow to enter into food items. Okay, so food will not get spoiled. Second is oiling and salting. You will see जब भी मम्मा pickles बनाती है तो what she add lot of oil, okay, in it, and lot of salt, so food get not spoiled. Third is drying, or we can also call it dehydration. Okay, so in this we have to keep the things in the sunlight, and we will give it throw there, we will put there. जब sunlight आती है तो what happen, moisture जो होता है वो dry हो जाता है. Okay, and food get preserved. Okay, we can also see the example of मेथी, है ना, मेथी को हम लोग धूप पे सुखाते हैं, कड़ी पत्ता. Okay, now फोर्थ वन इज डन. फिफ्थ वन दैट इज कैनिंग. कैनिंग को वैक्यूम पैकिंग भी बोलते हैं. ऑल राइट, सो कैनिंग में क्या होता है? वी कीप द फूड आइटम इन क्लोजली पैक्ड कंटेनर, एयर टाइट कंटेनर. ओके, सो फूड गेट प्रिजर्व्ड. फोर्थ इज बॉइलिंग. यू ऑलरेडी नो बॉइलिंग, मम्मा मिल्क को गर्म करके बॉयल करके बनाती है. ओके, सो इन डेयरी क्या होता है? डेयरी में दे बॉयल द मिल्क एट 60 डिग्री एंड सडनली दे विल उसको फ्रीज कर देते हैं. ओके, कोल्ड कर देते हैं. सो व्हाट हैपन, बैक्टीरिया नहीं अलाउ करता है उसमें फूड को स्पॉइल करने के लिए. ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट प्रोसेस. इसको हम लोग पास्चराइजेशन भी कहते हैं, जिसमें कि हम बॉयल को बहुत सडनली 60 डिग्री पे हीट करते हैं एंड देन सडनली फ्रीज इट करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस मैथड इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पास्चराइजेशन. ये मैथ डिस्कवर हुआ था लुइस पास्चर के द्वारा. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. that is we are discussing about Mammedy-Tandra. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the story. Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu live in Athrepuram town in Andhra Pradesh. The brothers spend their summer holidays playing in the mango garden when the trees are full of fruits. They also like to eat raw mango. Yes, you also like to eat, na? Next thing. Where is the state of Andhra Pradesh? So this red one is the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next. So in this picture you will see the red color. Yes, this is Athrepuram. So Athrepuram is famous for mango jelly. Yes. Next, getting back to the story. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kind of mango pickles which last through the year till the next mango season. One evening while having food, Chinna Babu said, Amma, we have so many mangoes, make some Mammedy-Tandra, aam papad for them. Making Mammedy-Tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can make the Mammedy-Tandra. Okay, father told. Both the brothers agreed to help. The next day, the children went to the market with their father. They bought a mat woven from the leaves of palm tree, poles of casuarina tree, string made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. So this is the picture. Okay, first one is mat of palm tree, casuarina tree, coconut husk, jaggery and sugar. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both brothers made a high platform by using pole. They spread out and tried the mat on the platform. The next day, Appa chased the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. Okay. Then Chitti Babu crushed the jaggery till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amount to the pulp. Then they sprayed this pulp into the thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. They repeated the procedure. Everyone helped. Okay. So 4 weeks they added layer after layer until the jelly grows 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. Amma said, the Mammedy-Tandra is ready. We can take it out and cut it into pieces tomorrow. Alright. The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mammedy-Tandra was cut into smaller pieces. The brother tasted it and what they said? Wow, how tasty. After all, we have also help in making it. Okay. So you have to taste it samples of Mammedy-Tandra today. Think about it. In which season we can make it? In summer season. What will happen if it rain? अगर rain होने लगा तो क्या होगा? What problems will you face if you were to make it? Okay, and how is one that you ate made? All right. So today we have discussed about Mammedy-Tandra, है ना? Story of Mammedy-Tandra.
So today you have learned about food preservation. Yes, food preservation and the methods of food preservation. And you also learn about Mammedy-Tandra. Okay. So you have to do one activity at your home कि आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है कि कौन कौन से फूड आइटम्स आपके घर में मैंगो से बने हुए हैं. ओके, वेदर इट इज पिकल, ओके, or anything, any type of things. Okay, so this is your activity or homework whether you have to do at your home. Okay,